The mind is a wonderful thing. As a matter of fact, the entire universe is a mind. We're simply not in a position to circumscribe the abilities of that mind. It can no doubt do marvelous things that an ordinary scientist is not going to be able to get his mind around. Just talk about the predicate reality. It's a characteristic predicate of the system of perceptions and thoughts that we have around us. Basically, that constitutes a kind of identity, and everything in the system is an image of that identity, and that includes us. So God is walking the earth every day in the form of men. Now, we're not equivalent to God because we're localized. We don't have this global perception, this global cognition that God has, but in a sense, we're images of God. And as far as God having a special son is concerned, that simply means that the son has a higher form of self that is more closely connected to the identity than we are. And of course, that's a common religious perception in monotheism.